Hi guys, back with another quick pocket dump here. So today we're carrying my custom Batman hanks in my Scout Troop colours, yellow and black. Got my dog tag from the Dog Tag Co. Got my family on one side and all my EDC references on the other. Carry my brass pie, SOTC, Scouts of the Cooperative. That was made by Fat Forest, Sam Hughes. My pen by the SJV Workshop, Steve Valentine, absolutely phenomenal. Olight i3T, and that's in Desert Tan. In the slip today I have Victorinox Compact, utilises the opener, blade and the scissors. Got my cooperative badge as always, 205. My main blade is the Spyderco UK PK. Got my wallet and as always holding it together.